بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والمرسلات عرفا.
By the oath of those winds which are sent consecutively.
فالعاصفات عصفا.
Then by those winds that push with strength.
والناشرات نشرا.
Then by those winds which lift and carry the clouds.
فالفارقات فرقا.
Then by the ones, i.e., the verses of the Quran, which clearly differentiate right from wrong.
فالملقيات ذكرا.
Then by the oath of those, i.e., the groups of angels, who instill the remembrance of Allah into the hearts.
عذرا أو نذرا.
To complete the argument or to warn the disbelievers.
إنما توعدون لواقع.
Indeed, what you are promised will definitely occur.
فإذا النجوم طمست.
Then it will occur when the light of the stars is put out.
وإذا السماء فرجت.
And when the sky is split apart.
وإذا الجبال نصفت.
And when the mountains are made into dust and blown away.
وإذا الرسل أقتت.
And when the time of the messengers arrives.
لأي يوم أجلت.
For which day were they postponed?
ليوم الفصل.
They are postponed for the day of decision.
وما أدراك ما يوم الفصل.
And what do you know what the day of decision is?
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the beliars on that day.
ألم نهلك الأولين.
Did we not destroy the earlier people?
ثم نتبعهم الآخرين.
We shall then drive the latter ones after them.
كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين.
This is how we deal with the criminals.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the beliars on that day.
ألم نخلقكم من ماء مهين.
Did we not create you from an insignificant fluid?
فجعلناه في قرار مكين.
We then kept it in a safe place, i.e., the womb,
إلى قدر معلوم.
until a known extent.
فقدرنا فنعم القادرون.
Then we measured, so how excellent we are in having power over everything.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the beliars on that day.
ألم نجعل الأرض كفاتا.
Did we not make the earth a gathering place?
أحياء وأمواتا.
For your living and dead.
وجعلنا فيها رواسي شامخات وأسقيناكم ماء فراتا.
And we placed high mountains as anchors therein, and gave you excellent sweet water to drink.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the beliars on that day.
انطلقوا إلى ما كنتم به تكذبون.
Walk towards that, i.e., the punishment which you used to belie.
انطلقوا إلى ظل ذي ثلاث شعب.
Walk towards the shadow of the smoke, which has 3 branches.
لا ظليل ولا يغني من اللهب.
Which neither gives the coolness of a shade, nor saves from the flame.
إنها ترمي بشرر كالقصر.
Indeed, hell shoots up sparks like high palaces.
كأنه جمالة صفر.
As if they are camels of yellow color.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe for the beliars on that day.
هذا يوم لا ينطقون.
This is the day in which they will not be able to speak,
ولا يؤذن لهم فيعتذرون
nor will they be given permission to present excuses.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين
Woe to the beliers on that day.
هذا يوم الفصل جمعناكم والأولين
This is the day of the decision. We have gathered you and all of the former ones.
فإن كان لكم كيد فكيدون
If you have any plot now, so try to use it against me.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين
Woe to the beliers on that day.
إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون
Indeed, the pious are in shades and springs,
وفواكه مما يشتهون
and amongst fruits, whichever they may desire.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون
They will be told, eat and drink with pleasure, the reward of your deeds.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين
Indeed, this is how we reward the righteous.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين
Woe to the beliers on that day.
كلوا وتمتعوا قليلا إنكم مجرمون
O beliers, eat and enjoy for a few days. You are definitely criminals.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين
Woe to the beliers on that day.
وإذا قيل لهم اركعوا لا يركعون
And when it is said to them, offer salah, they do not offer.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين
Woe to the beliers on that day.
فبأي حديث بعده يؤمنون
So, then after this, i.e., the Quran, in which statement will they believe?
صدق الله العظيم